Before the end of the year, God wants you to remember these messages. A fantastic opportunity is coming your way, a path that has been cleared so that there are no obstructions in your way when you go across it. An opportunity you've been waiting for will suddenly appear. God is enabling you to assess situations more clearly than ever before. You will succeed in every tomorrow that is in store for you, whether it is financially, spiritually, physically, emotionally, or intellectually. You already possess the secret to your enormous success. Keep in mind that even when you felt like giving up, God was still by your side. Everything that you have lost, mourned over, invested in, or put some of your love into will return to you much more fully than it did at first. Only then will you understand that each challenge you overcame was a necessary component of your accomplishment. You have fully developed and attained enlightenment. God is on your side, and you will undoubtedly experience all throughout the next days, weeks, and years. This season was made for you. It's about to be your turn to gain from the sunshine. There comes a time in life when all you can do is to be thankful for the hardship you have endured in the past years, because you can now plainly perceive its bigger meaning.